I have a Samsung Galaxy A12 here, and you have an issue where you're trying to factory reset. However, to do a factory reset, if you forgot your password, you first have to go ahead and turn off the phone. But when you try to turn off the phone, like let me give you an example. Let's try to turn off this phone here, power off. But hey, but it's asking us for a password to even turn it off. So what do we do here? It's very simple to bypass this, okay? So just listen up very carefully. Now this is what we want to do. First thing we want to do is we want to force it to restart. What we're going to do is hold the volume down and power button. We're going to press and hold both buttons and keep holding and just wait. And right before the Samsung logo appears, only let go of the volume button and press and hold the volume up button and continue to hold until we are in the Android recovery menu. Never taking your finger off the power button. So let's go ahead and try this together. It may take me a few times, definitely probably going to take you guys at least a few times, but let's see if I can get it on the first try here, okay? So as you can see right now, I try to turn off my phone. I'm not able to, okay? So now, volume down, power, follow along, ready? 1, 2, 3, press and hold both buttons, do not let go. I'm still holding here. Right before the Samsung logo appears, I'm gonna go ahead and press and hold the volume up. Okay, volume up, okay. I hope you guys got the message here. Let's try it again, okay? Volume down, power, ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go, just wait. I'm gonna wait. Right before the Samsung logo is gonna pop up. Wait right about now. Volume up, now I'm holding volume up and power button now. I'm still holding on both buttons. Okay, maybe I did it a little bit too early. Okay, yep, didn't work. Try it again, volume down, power, ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons, do not let go. I'm still holding on both buttons here, waiting for Samsung, or right before the Samsung logo appears, I want to press and hold the volume up. Oops. Oh my goodness, I just messed it up. Hold on. All right, we'll try it again. I guess it's going to take me 4 times, okay? Volume down, power. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. I'm still holding on both buttons. Still holding. I'm getting ready to hold the volume up. Just wait. Wait right about now. Now volume up. Now I'm holding volume up and power button, holding both buttons still. Just waiting to get into the Android recovery. I'm not sure if that made it. Okay, it made it. Android guy, you can go ahead and let go. And now we are in business. So basically from here, all you got to do is go down to wipe data / factory reset. You can use the volume rockers to move up or down. So go down to wipe data / factory reset. Don't forget, guys, with a factory reset, you're going to be erasing everything off the phone. So if you have photos, videos, documents, important stuff, you're going to lose all of it. Once you're done with the factory reset, it's going to be as if you bought the A12 brand new and took it out of the box, and you have to proceed with the beginning setup, okay? Anyway, from here, wipe data / factory reset. You want to proceed, you tap on the power button here, and then this is basically saying once you do this, it cannot be undone. So if you want to proceed with the factory reset, use the volume down rocker and go down to factory data reset. To proceed with the factory reset, just go ahead and tap on the power button. Give it a couple minutes. Once it's done with the factory reset, your phone boots back up. Then you'll be at the very beginning. You got to choose your language, your Wi-Fi, put in your Wi-Fi password, and so on. So pretty simple. Now I'm not going to go ahead and factory reset this, so I'm just going to go up to cancel and to select it, press on power, and then it's already highlighted reboot system now, which is fine. So I'm just going to tap on power here and just going to just reboot it. Anyway, let me know how many times it took you guys. I think it took me 4 times. How many times did it take you guys to do this? If it worked for you, thumbs up. Good luck.